So hey guys, again welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, we are back with another unique device with us. So today we have this Snexian Bolt X2, which is successor to Bolt X1. The X1 video is already on our channel, so you can check out the X1 video as well. So today we have this Bolt X2. So it is from Snexian, as I said, and this price of this device is 1300 rupees. And we have this review unit box, and obviously box is already opened. And in the side we you can see we have Snexian logo and Bolt X2, again Bolt X2. So at the back you can see we have rear image and it says X2, and we have some quick specifications of the device, like it has 2-inch QVGA display, camera, dual SIM, lithium battery and Bluetooth dialer. Just basic things we have. Obviously this is a feature phone, so we cannot expect more, and this is made in India, so that is thumbs up from us. So let me just open this device. So as expected guys, we have this device and this cable. So this is type C cable, so device is type C supported, which is nice. And let me just take out the device. So here you can see the device. We have this very unique setup. In the Bold X1 also we have the same form factor of same keyboard setup, I mean. So it is very unique setup. You can see we have this side the circle, and in this side we have this regular keys like 1 2 3 4 5 6. And again guys, in hand device is looking gorgeous. This has this glossy sleek design which is looking very good from front. So in the back you can see we have this plastic sheet. So let me just take this out. Wow. So we have this very sleek design and looking very good, I think. So this is mini S series from Samsung. So and looking very good, I think. We have this very glossy finish. So it is not looking like we are holding a feature phone. It is looking like we are holding some expensive device. So which is very good thing, and this is not looking like feature phone at all. Very good in terms of design. So at the top we get this torch, and at the bottom we have speaker grill, type C charging for port, and jack, 3.5 mm jack and mic. So here you can see the device lock screen. So let me just unlock this, and so in the menu we get this call center, contacts, messages, camera, media, Bluetooth dialer, and tools, settings, SIM kit. So these are the basic things we get inside this, and we don't see any browser support on this device. So that is, I think, a drawback. And in tools, we get some games. So we have F1 race. So it is a nice game for time pass, and in terms of operation, device is working good. We will check out its dialer in later video, and till now it is working good. So you can definitely check out this device for its design, and nothing else. The design of this device is very good, very unique design, and very premium looking, not looking like feature phone at all. So you can definitely check out this device. It is thumbs up from me. So thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and make sure that you will like this video. Subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you.